It's here. I'll show you when I get the stuff. Okay, let's go get it. Let's get it. Let's go in the kitchen. Kroger haul. Cucumbers. Rice Krispies. Strawberries. Okay, now that we're done showing everything, let's organize these snacks and these fruit. So yeah, this will go in the freezer. Okay, so we couldn't put it in the freezer. It's too big, so I'm gonna ask my dad. But for now, let's organize our snacks and fruit. Okay, my dad got it in the freezer. So now let's organize our fruit. So let's put these in the fridge. Okay, we put it in the fridge. Now let's organize our snacks. Let's open these. Now let's open this. Let's get it out, you guys. See you after. All done. And we have cheesy chips coming soon. So yeah, bye.